Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to share another simple way to grow dragon fruit in a small space. And even with limited room, the results can still be very rewarding. Let's begin. I'm using dragon fruit cuttings from the garden. When choosing the cuttings, this step is very important. I look for branches that are thick, healthy, dark green, and free from any pests or damage. Starting with strong cuttings gives the plant a much better chance to grow well from the beginning. I prepare the base of each cutting. I remove about 4 centimeters of the outer skin and keep the core. After that, I treat the base once more to help prevent fungal infection. It's only a small step, but it makes a big difference in keeping the cuttings healthy. Today, I'm reusing an old tire together with a piece of plastic mesh to create a new planter for the dragon fruit. It's simple, practical, and a very nice way to grow in a small area. Dragon fruit prefers a growing space that is airy and drains well. So for the bottom, I use mesh to improve airflow and prevent water from sitting too long around the roots. First, I add a layer of soil. Then, I spread a layer of worm castings on top to give the plant a gentle source of nutrients right from the start. This works especially well for dragon fruit because its roots stay fairly close to the surface and benefit from steady feeding over time. Next, I place a bamboo pole in the center of the planter to support the plant as it climbs upward. I make small holes around the planter and begin placing the cuttings one by one. Now everything is set, and all that's left is to wait for the cuttings to form roots and begin growing. After planting, I cover the top with dried corn husks. This helps hold moisture in the soil, keeps the root zone airy, and also helps reduce weeds naturally. It's a very simple method, but one that brings real value in the garden. Look at this, after just 2 months. The cuttings have grown beautifully. Each branch looks thick, green, and full of life. This is a lovely sign of healthy development, and it shows that the plants have adapted well to their new home. By this stage, flowers are beginning to appear on many of the branches. I remove the weak or damaged buds and clear away any weeds around the base. At this point, I also add more nutrients to support stronger flower growth, reduce bud drop, and help the plant set fruit more successfully. Just look at this flower. The dragon fruit flower is truly special. Soft, elegant, and beautiful in its own way. Normally, these flowers open at night, and by the time sunlight arrives, they slowly begin to close and fade. It's a short moment, but a very meaningful one, because after the flowers fade, the young fruits begin to form. The white blooms are soon replaced by fresh green dragon fruit. Plump, smooth, and full of promise. During this stage, I remove the smaller or weaker fruits so the plant can focus its energy on the best ones. This helps the remaining fruits grow larger, healthier, and ripen more evenly. And now we wait a little longer. And finally, here is the result we've been hoping for. The dragon fruits are full, evenly ripened, and beautifully colored. They look fresh, healthy, and very satisfying to see. All the time and care put into the plant has now turned into something truly rewarding. Now it's time for the harvest. There is always a special feeling when you pick ripe fruits with your own hands from a plant you have cared for yourself. Thank you for spending this gardening moment with me, and let's enjoy today's harvest together.